Now's the exciting part. This is what you actually do with all these numbers. This is the fun part of accounting. It puts the puzzle together. There is a specific way that we're going to do the financial statements. You always do the income statement first when you pull off of a worksheet such as this. Then you do the statement of owner's equity, and then you will do the balance sheet. So let's pull this off. Have you got your printed copy of the first part of this part? Okay, so I hope it all came out for you right. If not, email me and I'll help. So, here's the income statement. And from the worksheet, you can now pull off your service revenue. And that revenue was $1,100 plus there was one other $4,300. So if you add those two together, you will end up with the revenue, which is $5,400. Isn't this fun? Now, what was the rent expense? Well, look at your sheet, and you'll find rent expense was $1,000, and advertising expense was $300. That means total expenses were $1,300. So we have a net income of $4,100. Yes, we've got it. Now, what was our beginning owner's equity when we started this mess? If you go back and look at the balance, you will find it was $13,000. They added investment, or they added owner investment. Let's see, there were two of them. There was $10,000 plus, oh, there was another one, $1,700. I don't know why that N came in. I guess I have fat fingers. Plus $1,700. So that means I need to add, right, $11,700. So, what was the net income? Well, I already figured that up here. That's why we do the income statement. So my net income was $4,100. Those get added, right? So now we have a total of $28,800. What were the withdrawals or the dividends? Well, we paid a dividend here someplace. I'm trying to, we paid a $2,200, right? Dividend? At the tail end. It was at the very end. I see it, yes. So, that means our ending owner's equity is going to be $26,600. Okay, so now we have two statements taken care of. I have an income statement taken care of and a statement of owner's equity. Now we're going to do the balance sheet. And you just pull that off of those numbers at the bottom. So your cash should be $8,500. That's directly off that worksheet. Your accounts receivable should be $5,200. Your supplies should be $600. And your land should be $13,000. And your total assets should be $27,300. Now we've got to figure this over here. Accounts payable was what? From the sheet, $700. This is where you get this new owner's equity that came from this above statement, and that is $26,600. Isn't this wonderful? If you add these two together, we better hope and pray it matches that total assets, and it does. So it's $27,300. And that's how you pull financials off. See how they all tie together? It is a beautiful picture. So that is part 2 of exercise 1 in 1.2. I'm going to end this, and then we'll go on to the next one. And I'm just going to overview the next one and see if you can pull this up yourself. So hold on.